Hello, Henry from Belgium here. Today I show you my latest find. It's the LEGO set 6930 Space Supply Station from 1983. So keep watching the video. The set comes from the space theme, with the sub-theme Classic. It consists of 206 parts and 4 minifigs. It's one of the 9 space sets produced in 1983. The space theme is interesting, and it is known that the earlier sets are a lot more valuable than the town sets, for example, from the same period, because this theme appeals much more to the imagination. But of course the sets must be in a good condition and complete with the box, inlay, and the manual. This set is almost complete. The box and the manual are present, but unfortunately the inlay is missing. These types of space sets have an inlay made of transparent plastic, containing the parts. Underneath is the baseplate and the manual. The box itself looks quite okay. A piece of cardboard is missing on this side, but for the rest, you can still call it a box. It's not falling apart. The images with the alternative buildings are still nicely visible and colorful, and always a great plus point when it's present. You should not forget that this box is probably already 40 years old. The fact that it is included is really an absolute added value, even if the condition is not perfect. The manual is also included, and, considering the time, it still looks good. No missing pages, no tears or stains. Let's start building the set, so I can give you my opinion. First, the baseplate, 32 by 32 with a crater on it. As far as the color scheme is concerned, the gray, white and blue are of course immediately noticeable. The color accents come from the minifigs and the lights. After half an hour of building, I have this beautiful result. So it's not a big set, but it does look nice. Actually, this set excels in its simplicity, because when you remove these blue pillars, not much is left. Just a basic base for 2 small vehicles and a control room. But despite the fact that it is all quite basic and it is a small set of 206 parts, you do have the feeling that a lot is happening. This is mainly also because there are 4 minifigs, each with their own vehicle and also a lot of accessories, such as an axe, a metal detector, radios, loudhailers, torches, and space guns. In addition, 2 of the minifigs can also take place inside the base station. But what I really like is the baseplate. Personally, I think that's the nicest part of the set and really brings you to the space theme. This type of baseplate is also quite rare, and only appearing in 14 sets. So, conclusion. Despite the lesser condition of the box and the lack of the inlay, this is still a very nice addition to my collection. As you already know, I look for more special sets and themes that capture the imagination, and this is definitely one of them. And as I said, this set excels in its simplicity. That way you can still let your own imagination work and come up with stories. Feel free to comment at the bottom of this video and also like and subscribe. It's completely free. Until the next video.